Which loop could be used to count down from 20 to 1? Alright, so these loops all look really similar. What we're going to want to focus on is the beginning and the end. So we want it to count from 20 to 1. Let's focus on which one of these could print 20. So if we just put a print statement like right inside the loop, like this, would this start at 20? This one would, yeah, so it would start at 20, it could print the 20, and then it would decrease by 1 to 19. So yes, A and B could both print 20. C and D would both start at 21, so we're going to eliminate C and D. Alright, now let's go skip all the way over to 1. Which of these is going to print a 1 and then stop? So if I is equal to 1, this loop will break. So this loop will actually stop at 2. This loop, when I is 1, it will enter the loop, it will print. Then I becomes 0 and the loop breaks. So the answer is B.